What is going on, guys? This is my icing and offside tutorial for hockey. How to get good at icing and offside. How to know when to go offside and when not to go offside. And when to ice and when not to ice. To have an advantage in the game. It's pretty simple. You're just going to watch icing and offside tutorial, one that talks about icing and offside, that tells you what icing and offside is basically, over and over again until you get good at it. It shouldn't take too long. It should only you should only have to watch it like 10 times, but remember, to get better at icing and offside, you have to watch the video more times until the effect is as strong as you want it to be, basically. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to icing and offside tutorial, an icing and offside video, one that I used. It's a very good one. I like it. I think you guys would like it too. If you guys consider something else that's better, that's more fitting for you, then go ahead. But that's how you get good at icing and offside. You watch the plays. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's all you do. You watch the tutorial over and over again. What is offside and what is icing. Watch it over and over again. One with animation or a visual description that shows you what's going on and stuff is good. Is probably what I consider the best. Anyway, that's how you get good at icing and offside. Remember, just watch it over and over again until you get good. Till you feel it in your chest, basically. You should feel it in your chest. You should start getting ideas about it. And then do it until it doesn't even take that long. Like 10 times. 10 times watching it. And then do it until the feelings are as strong as you want it to be. That's all you have to do to get good at offside and icing. Now that you know that, I'll leave a link down below in my YouTube in the description below to an icing and offside video. And that's all you need to know for this video. That's all for today, guys. That's how you do it. For hockey, the sport. Hockey, the sport. It's a Canadian driven sport. A lot of Canadians watch hockey, basically. Anyway, that's all you have to know. That's all for today. See you guys next time.